Okay, welcome to the first episode of Cooking Made Simple. Today we're making a New York strip. We're just adding coarse salt and garlic powder on both sides. The whole point of this show is to help people that can't cook, that have a hard time cooking, or it's just hard for them. So I'm just gonna dumb it down for everyone. The best way to do this is just to lather your steak in coarse salt and garlic powder. Yes, you have to see it. If you don't see it, it's not seasoned well, it won't taste good, it'll just, it'll be bad. But don't worry, it won't be over salty. It'll burn off on the grill, okay? So we're gonna place them on 5 minutes on each side. This is for a medium cook for a steak that's 1.5 inches. And then we're adding some bell peppers cut in half because I like how they taste, okay? So close the grill and wait 5 minutes. Don't look at it, don't open it, don't do anything to it. Just leave it there for 5 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and flip everything, even the bell peppers, and let them burn. And then, once again, we'll close it to make sure that it cooks. And don't look at it, don't open it, just leave it there. And we're gonna go ahead and pull it out and wait about 5 to 10 minutes before cutting it open. Why? Because it's gonna cook in its own juices, that's why. So just let it rest. Down below I'm gonna go ahead and leave a chart, well, a link to a chart that tells you the cooking time, the temperatures, the thickness of your steak for it to be cooked specifically to how you like it. Well done, medium, whatever you like. And I hope you enjoyed this video.